I love your sweater.
Thank you.
It has my vote.
Thank you.
And then I made Michelle do that. Yeah. Salud. Cheers. Guys, something really satisfying just happened. I was wrapping this gift. Look at it aligned, and it's happening on this side too. It's aligning. I love that. Perfect square. All right, so we got the Fiesta pack, grilled chicken and burritos and some fries, and we're about to watch Bleach. Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday, December 4th, and I'm at Winkle already. I'm getting some stuff for our holiday brunch. I just got a car wash and it was weird. At the end where like they dry your car, the person in front was going backwards instead of forwards, and I like started honking my horn. I was like, what the hell is gonna happen here? Like, what is happening? But anyway, I just got done with that, and I'm gonna go to Winco to get some stuff for a bagel board. So I'm gonna go in because I'm running out of time, but I'll show you guys once I start doing it. Also, more my retainer. I'm supposed to wear it often, so. But yeah, I'm gonna get going. All right, this is the Bloody Mary bar. That's Josiah. And this is the drink bar, the other drink bar.
I'm number one, and that's why I'm so anxious.
Zeus, you want your advent calendar treat? Sit. Come on. Sit. Yes, good boy. Today's what, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, today's 5. So where is oh, here's number 5. Little Christmas tree. Ready? Is it pretty? Ready? Yes. Good boy. I just got home from work. I'm doing laundry. I changed and I'm about to make dinner. I wore my hair like this today. This is like my natural curl, like how my hair dries. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't, but overall I was just like, you know what, as long as I do my bangs, this will do. I have my earrings that Eileen gave me yesterday, and I'm about to make dinner. I think for dinner I'm gonna make ground beef for tacos, for like soft tacos. So that'll be good. Ryan is outside. He's cleaning the entry with a pressure washer because he just got one and he wanted to like test it out and stuff. So all right, it's time to make dinner. So I'm gonna start on the rice because that takes longer. It's just a simple rice recipe that I always use. I'll show you guys how I make it. more, Johnny.
Mom's just recording you. Hey, sit. Zeus. Hey, focus. Focus. Okay, you want baby shark or you want bat? Use your paws. You want bat? You don't want baby shark? Juicy. What are you doing? Are you getting camera shy? You're getting camera shy. Okay, sit. Okay, baby shark or bat? Which one do you want? Use your paw. Bat? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and go!
Susie.
Can you drop something else for me then?
Susie, paw. Yeah, I'll drop some.
the cables?
Yeah. Oh, good boy. Hey, sit pretty. Yes. Do you want a treat? Just because it's Advent, not because you were good. You gave him a look. All right, Susie, you got your Advent? What day is it today? Is today the 6th? All right, Susie, it's the 6th. Let's see, where is... Right here, actually. Really easy peasy.